The Daikin SUT comes in many different shapes and sizes. Tank size can vary, motor size, pump size, but if you're working with the same series, typically your controller will be the same. If you're unsure what model you have, over on the right side you will find a tag with model number and serial number. That information is important if you're calling in for technical support. If you have a red sticker or another sticker over top of the model number, this indicates that this unit has accessories or has been built for a specific application. This CP number or ACU number is also helpful when calling in for technical support. The unit also has the ability to give us a lot of information related to alarms and errors. It can tell us if oil's too low, if temperature is too high, or if our voltage is incorrect. If you see E17 alarm displayed on your controller, this is an indication of a motor thermal error. A couple of factors we need to consider. One, we need to make sure your motor and pump can spin freely. If either are stalled or locked up, this alarm will generate. Secondly, we need to make sure there's no electrical interference or noise from any other local machines or units. The communication between the motor and the controller can also generate this alarm. If we've verified those two things, it is most likely going to require the replacement of your controller. Once an alarm code or error code has been generated and you've made adjustments to correct the situation, remember that most times you will need to cycle power to reset your alarm. Simply making an adjustment will not reset the alarm. Turn power off, wait for it to discharge 10 or 15 seconds, and then turn power back on to see if your alarm occurs.